guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to log in or sign in your Credit Karma app on a device. So as we all know that Intuit Credit Karma app is a free personal finance app owned by Intuit itself. So it lets you check and monitor your credit scores from Transition Union and useNfix for free. And it also provides credit monitoring alerts, and you can see what affects your credit score. So and also it offers identify monitoring. It allows if your personal info is found in the data breaches. So it also includes tax filing features powered by TurboTax, so you can file taxes within the app by yourself. So to explore all these features, you need to log in or sign into the Intuit Credit Karma app. So there are the very few and easy steps to do so. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that your app Intuit Credit Karma is downloaded on a device, and after that you just need to open the Credit Karma app on a device or on your phone. And then this is the very first homepage of this app. There you can see the option sign up and sign in this first welcome page. Just type on the option sign in, and then you just need to fill up you just need to enter a few of your informations, like you need to enter your email address, you need to enter your password, and after entering the email address associated with your Credit Karma account, you need to enter your password. And if required, complete any verification, for example two-step verification or a code sent via SMS or email. Just need to tap on the option continue, and after logging in, you can optionally go to the settings gear icon to enable quicker login methods like PIN or Touch ID or Face ID to make you to enter this app in a more easy way. So that's how you can just enter to this app and log in or sign up or sign in a very easy way. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.